Stop. Before you skip this video, answer this question in your mind. What is the HCF and LCM of 12 and 18? If you don't know the answer in less than 5 seconds, then you are probably losing marks in placement aptitude exams without realizing it. Welcome back to day 3 of our 100 days aptitude challenge. Today we are going to master HCF and LCM with easy tricks, shortcuts, methods, and placement focused questions that can help you solve problems in seconds during exams like Infosys, SP, DSP, TCS, Wipro, Accenture, Cognizant, and many more. Let's begin with the HCF. First, what is HCF? HCF stands for highest common factor. It is the greatest number that can divide two or more different numbers completely. For example, let's take 12 and 8. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. And coming to factors of 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. The common factors are 1, 2, 3, 6. The highest common factor is 6. So, the HCF of 12 and 18 equals to 6. And now let's understand LCM. Least common multiple. The smallest number that is exactly divisible by both numbers. Multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48 and so on. Multiples of 18, 36, 54 and so on. Smallest common multiple, that is 36. 36 is the smallest common multiple, and that is the answer for LCM of 12 and 18. Easy trick 1 is finding HCF and LCM of 24 and 36 is we need to find factors, and then HCF rule, we need to take smallest powers. Here smallest power is 2 power 2 into 3 into 3 power 1. So we got 12 is the HCF. For LCM rule, we need to take highest powers. Here we got 2 power 3 is the highest and 3 power 2 is the highest. So we got 8 into 9, 72 is the LCM. The answer is HCF equal to 12 and LCM equal to 17. Easy trick 2, division method. We need to do division. 36 divided by 24 equals to 1. The remainder is 12, and 24 divided by 12 equals to 2. The remainder is 0. The divisor at the last step equals to 12. So HCF equals to 12. This method is very useful for larger numbers. For golden formula, I am going to tell you that HCF into, don't mind this, here you just replace with the into, and HCF into LCM equals to product of two numbers. That is the formula. And example numbers they gave 12 and 18. We need to find LCM where HCF given. So we need to substitute the values into this formula, like a HCF into LCM equals to product of two numbers, right? So we substituted 6 as HCF and LCM and product of two numbers, 12 and 18 we got. And solving this, we need to multiply these two numbers, then we will get 216. So we need to divide it by 6. We need to divide it by 6 with this number, then we will get 36 as the LCM. This is the golden rule for the finding LCM or HCF. The fast competitive exam tricks are: trick 1. If two numbers are co-prime means consecutive numbers, that means HCF equals to 1. Always it will give 1 only. LCM equals to product of numbers. Whatever the numbers they gave, the product is the LCM. For example, 8 and 15. 8 and 15s are co-primes. So the HCF equals to 1 and LCM equals to 8 into 15. So we got 120 as the LCM. Trick 2. If one number completely divides another, for example 10 and 50. 10 is divisible by 50 is divisible by 10. So HCF equals to smaller number and LCM equals to bigger number. So coming to trick 3, consecutive numbers. When we got consecutive numbers in questions, we need to find out like this. 15 and 16 are the consecutive numbers. HCF is will be always 1, and because consecutive numbers are co-primes. And trick 4, fractions is shortcut. That means we need to follow this kind of method to find HCF of fractions, like HCF of numerators divided by LCM of denominator. And for LCM of fractions, we need to follow this formula: LCM of numerators divided by LCM of denominators. Important for advanced aptitude exams. Frequently asked questions are: find HCF of 12 and 60 and find LCM of 15 and 20. HCF of two numbers is 12 and product is 864. These kind of questions we will find in the competitive exams. Find LCM. Using formula there is one formula, right? HCF into LCM equal to product of two numbers. If we substitute in that formula, we will get answer easily. And find HCF of 48 and 72. It's easy question. Find LCM of 8 and 12 equals to 24 we got. And we need to remember some key points, that are consecutive numbers will give HCF always 1. Co-prime numbers also will give always 1 for HCF. Co-prime numbers will give for LCM product of numbers. And also final formula we need to remember while attending the exams. HCF into LCM equal to product of two numbers. Now it's your turn. Find the HCF and LCM of 36 and 48 and comment your answer below. If you are serious about cracking placements and improving your aptitude every single day, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, because tomorrow in day 4 we will learn more tricks and tips for placement questions. Comment day 3 completed if you watched till the end, and let's see how many future software engineers are committed to completing this 100 days challenge. Remember, one day of learning may not change your life, but 100 days of consistent learning absolutely can. So keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in day 4.